Hi, I'm Sherry Bell, and we are starting off with my morning routine with my Olive Tree Pharmacy. Thank you for being my customer and going on this olive tree therapy journey with me. As you see, I've got the cleanser. I only did one pump. I'm rubbing now my wet face, and I'm getting every inch and all over up to my hairline, my neck, my décolleté if I'm in the shower. And I am using number F as in face, number 38 purifying cleansing gel. I love the smell. This has rose and lemon. Okay, and now so we're taking a towel and we're patting our face. We are patting our face lightly. Every mini facial I've done, people take the towel and they drag their face down. We are lifting our face up over the years forever. With everything that we do, we go up and around. And so now we have the F67 Corrective Tonic. I'm showing you how to use it specifically. The copper line, it has more hydroxytyrosol in it. Remember, there is no water in this product. It's replaced with the olive leaf cell elixir, which is hydroxytyrosol natural sunscreen. Now we're on to our serums and elixirs. So we blend. That's an F82. That is the Kahai, the plant retinol elixir. Think of the elixir as the carrier, which is going to allow the serum to infuse in the elixir. So the serum is FO6. It's a corrective face serum. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. That's the Kahai, the retinol. It's plant retinol. And with all these products, they smooth your face. They imbalance any redness because they're all anti-inflammatory. Your face will look like and feel like a rose petal, literally. And there are rose essential oils in this product. It was the highest vibration of any oil. Okay, so now you're going to rub the serum and elixir together, and you're going to pat them all over your face. Make sure that you get from all your to your hairline. Now you're blending it in. The product is very concentrated. And so if you use too much, you'll know. 4 months is how long this product has lasted already. And remember, 70% of other products have dead water in them. You're paying for water. With these, you're not paying for water. Now we're moving on to our eye elixir. I love this. It's the copper line. You're going to put it in your ring finger. Ring fingers have the least amount of pressure to apply to your face. Now you're going to apply right on top of your cheekbone, and the heat from that will work all of the wonderful ingredients up to your eyes where you're going to need them. Tightness, smoothness. I'm saying you can replace Botox with this. Next, we're moving on to our morning anti-aging face cream. I use a little too much here, so just know it's highly concentrated. That is F07 Face, and the 7th product that Thomas created while sitting in the olive tree in Spain. And next we have an eye cream. It's anti-wrinkle eye cream, and that is in stock again. F09 is Face 09, and that concludes our facial skincare routine for me. If you have less, that's fine. But remember, hydroxytyrosol, natural sunscreen. You're layering your sunscreen. You do not need sunscreen. I did a test. You can watch another video, but I did a test out in the heat of Colorado for 6 hours. And I will tell you that hydroxytyrosol is a real deal. Okay, now we're moving on to our morning routine of body. B is for body, and I have 3 lotions here. And that one is let's see what that one is. Cell Active Body Serum. B16. Let me tell you. So this is my final routine in the morning right here, and I feel like my skin looks 10 years younger. Also, any redness, inflammation. Remember, olive tree therapy balances out inflammation in 3 areas: microbiome of our skin, microbiome of our face, of our mouth, which we're doing right now. We're doing the mouth oil cure pull, which I do next while I curl my hair. But this is the microbiome. When there's imbalances in our microbiome, meaning too much bacteria, uh, environmental pollution, all kinds of things, we are going to pull those out and balance our microbiome in our mouth, and therefore the information to our brain and our gut, our whole body will operate more smoothly, will be more in balance. It's called homeostasis, actually. So you do this before you brush your teeth. And I just do a squirt in my mouth before I brush my teeth. I ask AI to set the timer for 8 minutes. You should do 8 to 12 minutes. And that is the I24. I is for internal, it's a black label. 24 is the 24th product that Thomas created. And it's Moroccan mint mouth. It is a dream. And just know that all of this is organic, bioactive, it's unrefined, and that's why it's alive and it's working in your body tremendously. That's why it's all in high demand. And so this is my morning routine. And let's talk about glow from the inside out. So our face has a beautiful glow, right? And we don't need sunscreen. And I move on to makeup. I use very little makeup. Makeup is coming in October. So I just want to say click subscribe and save. Click like. Thank you.